Hello everybody, once again you're watching S to the K to the BATs and my name is Samson, can call me Skbeatz Records, and this is what I do best, behind the scenes and exclusive interviews with musicians right here in Ghana. I'm still in Kumasi. I'm about to set off and go to Accra for a week experience with Dinah Hameth and Happy Life in Accra, Teshi. And it's going to be also in Kumasi on the 25th. So I want you to follow up on this channel, follow up on this platform for more updates, and when I get there I'm going to give you all the gist. Yes, thank you for these t-shirts. Skbeatz Records, Skbeatz the blogger. In case you're interested to have one of my t-shirts, one of my cap, you can link up with Skbeatz Records. Just send me a message on Instagram and let's do business. God bless you. Skbeatz Records.
I see many. Branches in the whole Accra, it's your own compound. I had not in Sue, and upon the Baha, no, I understand our fellas are still in the land of the man, the land. I had a fine, Papa.
Why would I sing this? I'm a singer, no. I'm a Ghanaian. I'm a singer. Then they want to sing.